Good morning, girls. Today is the 13th lecture of Visual Basic. Previously, we had taken lecture through pocket study. Today, I shall not repeat anything which I have taken through pocket study. I am continuing with the topic. Girls, I hope now all of you are familiar with the environment of Visual Basic with form and events. You must be knowing how to set properties at design time and run time. In the previous recorded lecture, I had taught you how to apply basic arithmetic, that is addition, in Visual Basic. Today we shall continue with other arithmetic operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and we shall prepare a very good practical form of simple calculator. Before opening Visual Basic, let us have today's thought. For a happy life, replace all your expect with accept. गर्ल्स, जो कोईपण जातना दुख तकलीफનું કારણ હોય તો it is expectations, nothing else. If I expect you people to regular attend my lectures and to prepare notebook or journal, then of course I will be unhappy, right? So mane dukh thashe because you people are not doing that. Fine, but I am not expecting it from you. I am just advising you because it is for your better knowledge and for your betterment that you regularly attend my lectures. But as a person, as a teacher, if I accept you people as you are, then I will be more happy. And you must have observed that in the classroom that normally we teachers accept the students as they are. હા, કેવું પડે if we are telling anything to you, તો it is for your good. ઓકે, તમારું જે કંઈ પણ છે તમારા માટે, તમારા સારા માટે અમે લોકો તમને કંઈ કહેતા હશું. અધરવાઇઝ we do not have any expectation from you people. Same way from our friends, family members or any other person. Of course we are human beings, so expectations are there, but we should try to reduce our expectations and try to accept whatever. અત્યારે જે આ કોરોનાની સિચ્યુએશન છે તો all of us know કે આપણી જે લાઈફ પહેલાં હતી એના કરતાં ઘણી ઘણી ભલે આપણે ટેકન ફોર ગ્રાન્ટેડ લઈ લીધું છે હવે, then also the life has changed. પહેલાં ફ્રિકવન્ટલી આપણે મૂવી જોવા જતા હતા, મોલમાં જતા હતા, થિયેટર રેસ્ટોરન્ટમાં જતા હતા, તો વી ડોન્ટ ડુ દેટ. બાકી ભલે નોર્મલી આપણે ઘરમાં ખાતા પીતા હોય કે વોટ એવર લાઈફ કામ માટે નીકળતા હોય, બટ જે આપણું અધર દેન વર્ક કે લક્ઝરી માટે કે એન્ટરટેનમેન્ટ માટે જે કંઈ પણ આપણે કામ કરતા હતા, વી આર નોટ ડુઈંગ દેટ. આપણે કોઈ નથી કરતા, રાઈટ? તો વી હેવ એક્સેપ્ટેડ ઇટ એન્ડ વી હેવ ટુ એક્સેપ્ટ ઇટ. દેર ઇઝ નો ઓપ્શન. So it is better. It is better that the situation which we cannot change, must be accepted by us. જો તમે ચેન્જ નથી કરી શકતા એને તો વી મસ્ટ ટ્રાય ટુ એક્સેપ્ટ ઇટ. હા, ખોટે ખોટું રેઝિસ્ટન્સ આપવાનો કોઈ મિનિંગ નથી. ઇન ધ સેમ વે right now you people should also accept the online lectures. હા, આમાં સાચું વ્યવસ્થિત જ છે. ઓલ ઓફ અસ આર વર્કિંગ હાર્ડ અને તમને લોકોને પ્રોપરલી just like if you are learning in classroom, in the same way we are teaching in online sessions, all the teachers. So you also people have to accept it and try to attend all the lectures, try to understand, and I don't think we will be able to repeat anything in classrooms. કારણ કે અત્યારે તમે લોકો ક્યારે ક્લાસમાં આવશો એ કાંઈ ડિસાઇડ પણ નથી, હજી કાંઈ એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ અનસર્ટેન. ઓકે, સો ઇફ યુ કમ ટુ ક્લાસીસ રેગ્યુલરલી અને રેગ્યુલર લાઈવ ટીચિંગ ચાલુ થાય એમાં I don't think we will be able to repeat everything, right? So it is better that you attend online lectures regularly. Now let us open Visual Basic. We have already created a project 1. I am opening that project. Okay, it is already opened. I have opened, I think. Let me close Visual Basic. Okay, it is here. I have already opened it for you. So guys, we have 3 forms. We have already created 3 forms here, and in the previous lecture I had designed form 3, in which we had calculated sum of 2 numbers. I am just running that form. Look, number 1, number 2 and sum. Let us add some values. Done. Now today we shall learn how to calculate subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Okay, I am adding one more form. I shall add new form every time so that you can be clear. Form, the name of the form is form 4. First of all, I need properties window. Guys, first property we should set is Windows state property to maximized, so that whenever I run this form will be in maximized state. Okay, fine. Now what do I want? First of all, let me write the definition. I am writing the definition. Design a form which contains six labels, 6 text boxes, 7 રાખીએ આપણે, one more, 7 text boxes and 3 command buttons. No, 5 operations plus 2, 7 command buttons. 7 labels, 7 text boxes and 7 command buttons. To input 2 numbers and it is generating error because it has no meaning in VB, and generate code to apply basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Okay, this is the definition that our form will have 7 labels, 7 text boxes and 7 command buttons to get the values from the user and to apply simple arithmetic operations. Okay, you can write this definition. I am removing this. Away, our form should be designed in proper way so that we can accommodate all controls. This will be the biggest form we have prepared till today. So we need to accommodate all controls in our form. First of all, I am taking a label. Here a label. Let me set the label so that all the labels should be same size, same color, same. First of all, number 1. Okay, the font size will be 24 Calibri. Okay, number 1. Let us also set background and foreground color of the label. Back color of label will be, suppose, this, and fore color of the label will be dark. Okay, then let us also set one text box. एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ने सेट कर दे. First of all, the value of the text box should be empty. So text property empty. Then the font of the text box will be 24 size. Then its back color will be different. Light green, and fore color will be dark green. Okay, now if I try to run this form, will I check any? No. A previous form is getting executed. So first of all, I have to set the project 1 properties, form 4. Okay, run this form. Look, it is allowing me to enter some value. Close this. Again, now I shall copy. I think its fore color should be little bit lighter. Okay, now I am copying label. Control C, Control V. No, you don't want to create array. Control V. No. Control V. No. How many labels do we want? 7 labels. Control V. No. Control V. No. Okay, 7 labels are there. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more label I need. No. Okay. Now let me change the caption. Here it will be number 2. Then here I need to print the result. So here addition subtraction multiplication division and modulus. Okay. Now I shall copy the text box. Control V. No. Guys, we should also remember the names of the text boxes. We can change them if we wish. Okay, આનું નામ text 1 હતું તો આનું નામ છે text 2. Now text 3. Control V. No. Control V. No. Control V. No. Control V. No. Okay, good design. Now today guys, I shall change the names of the text boxes so that while writing the code I can easily associate the code with the name of the text box. So text 1 and text 2 will be okay because they are numbers 1 and 2. Here I shall change, okay, text box name will be txt because it is text box. txt add. txt add. So the addition will be printed in text box 1. Then txt subtract. Then txt multiply. Then txt divide. Then txt mod. Fine. So while calculating the values we can easily remember. Otherwise શું થશે, એકબીજાનો ડેટા એકબીજામાં આવશે. Now let us take 7 command boxes. Command button, how many? 7. 1. First of all, let us set it. First is for addition. Add. Kali addition na lakhe, only add. Add, subtract, like that. Change the font size. Suppose 22. Okay. Control C, Control V. No. This is for subtraction. Control V. No. This is for multiplication. Control V. No. This is for division. Control V. This is for modulus. Okay. 5 text boxes we have command buttons we have taken. We can select them, all of them together in this way. Control V. No. One more command button to clear the contents. One more command button to exit the application. Okay. Now this is add. Okay, I shall change the name of the command button and caption of the command button. Name will be referred at the time of writing the code. CMD add, just like TXT add, CMD add, CMD sub, and the caption will be caption એટલે લેબલ જે તમને દેખાય છે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર એને caption કહેવાય. Here I shall write subtract. Okay, then third will be CMD MUL, multiplication, and its caption will be multiply. Then divide, name will be CMD DIV. Last modulus CMD MOD. Here in the caption modulus. Here CMD clear CLR, CMD CLR clear, clear the text boxes and exit. The name of the exit command button is 7, but it is good practice to give a good name, better name, so that at the time of coding we can refer CMD exit. Done. Now let the design is proper, so let me save this form. The name of the form will be calc, simple calculator, calc. Save. Run the form. Look, fine, you can enter data, but if you apply add, subtract, there is no result, nothing happens, as we have not written any code. So now let us write the code. હવે કોડ લખવાનો છે on each command button, દરેક command button ઉપર. First of all, addition. Addition ma, now I repeat girls, if you do not remember, નહીં જ હોય યાદ, I am sure. Okay, so I am repeating. Okay, first of all you should convert the text box, whatever you have entered in the text box, to value. Value મતલબ ન્યુમરિક, કારણ કે ટેક્સ્ટ ફોર્મેટમાં હશે અને ટેક્સ્ટ ફોર્મેટમાં you cannot apply calculation. So if you want to apply calculation, you need to convert them to numbers. Numbers मतलब value, VAL. CMD, no, not CMD, TXT add. Now if my spelling is wrong, it happens as I have changed the names of all text boxes and command buttons. So chances are that I may enter wrong spelling, or I may make mistake in typing the name of any control. So if it is wrong, if it is not correct, then I will not get the list. Look, dot press karu, I am getting the list. If I am getting the list, then the spelling is correct. If I have made any mistake, then I shall not get it. If you are not getting it, you will not get the output. Keep in mind. Keep in mind, the names of all the controls must be correct. If you have entered wrong name and you are typing it like this, there will be no error at this time. But while running the form, you will not get the proper output. So this is the first relation. પહેલાંય મેં કરાવ્યું હતું, I repeat, હજી રિપીટ કરીશ, કારણ કે પ્રેક્ટિકલ એક્ઝામમાં બધા બહુ જ મિસ્ટેક કરે છે. લોટ ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બહુ બધા આ જ મિસ્ટેક કરે છે કે દે રાઇટ રોંગ નેમ્સ. ખાલી બહુ સામાન્ય વેરી સિમ્પલ લેંગ્વેજ છે કે ડોટ કરો. ઇફ યુ આર નોટ ગેટિંગ ધ લિસ્ટ ઓફ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ, then the name is not correct, then do not continue. Do not continue, just go there and check it out. ખોલી નાખો ફોર્મ પાછું, ત્યાં જાઓ, જોઈ લ્યો કે મારે રિઝલ્ટ ક્યાં જોઈએ છે, આ ટેક્સ્ટ બોક્સમાં જોઈ છે. ઓકે, તો એનું નામ શું છે? ઇટ ઇઝ હિયર ઇન ધ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ વિન્ડો, txtadd. ગોટ ઇટ? અગેન txtadd dot text is equal to, we have already done this sum, value of text1 dot text plus value of text2 dot text. Okay, first of all we have to convert each text box to numeric value, and then we should add both the values and send it to the resultant text box. Here we have txt add to show the sum. In the same way, for subtraction we have this text box, sub txt sub. Click here, cmd sub click करे जो तो txt sub dot text is equal to value of text1 dot text minus value of text2 dot text, subtraction of them. Then if multiply, if the user clicks on multiply button, then we want txt mul dot text is equal to value of text1 dot text into value of text2 dot text. Okay, then divide txt div dot text is equal to value of text1 dot, it's not coming, there is some problem. text1 dot text આવવું જોઈએ, some invalid character is there છે, dot આવ્યું, then and then only. Oh, there is some problem with the keyboard, girls, that is why. Okay, divided by value of text2 dot text. Done. So guys, these are 4 basic operators: plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, you can perform these operations with the use of these symbols in computer. Generally we do this even in C language and in Fox Pro. We have used this plus, minus, multiplication and division. Now let us try to save this and run the form. Okay, let us enter 10 and 5. Let us apply addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, if you want to do it. Okay, different arithmetic operations between two numbers: 10 plus 550, 10 minus 5 5, 10 into 550 and 10 divided by 5 2. Done. If I click here, nothing will happen, there will be no error, but nothing will happen as we have not written code for this command button. Exit માં પણ નથી લખ્યો, so nothing will happen. Okay, now for modulus. For modulus, modulus means getting the remainder. Remainder मतलब शेष. તમે કોઈ પણ નંબરને, if you divide any number by any number, suppose if I divide 9 by 2, you know, all of you know that okay, the result will be 4.5. But if I don't want result in floating point number, મને જો રાઉન્ડ ફિગરમાં જોઈએ છીએ તો રિઝલ્ટ વિલ બી 4 અને શેષ કેટલી વધશે 1. ઓકે, તો જે શેષ તમારે જોતી હોય રિમાઇન્ડર, then we have modulus. So guys, in C and Fox Pro we were using percentage sign, but in Visual Basic percentage sign will not work. We have operator MOD, mode operator. The name of the operator is mode. How shall we use this? Txt mod dot text is equal to value of text1 dot text mode. Mode will be converted to blue color if it is correct. If the formula is correct, then it will be converted to blue color, right? It is converted. That means it is wrong. It is right. Okay. એટલે text1 will be divided by text2 and the remainder will be stored, will be printed inside which text box? Txt mode. Fine. Let us also write code for exit button, END, end, so that we can easily end. Now 100, 20. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Look, modulus ma 0, because if you divide 100 by 20, then you will get no remainder as 20 is divisible by 100. થાય જ છે એટલે એમાં ન આવે. Now if I want to exit, I can exit, but what if I want to apply some other figure? I want to apply some other figure, say for example 20, and here I want to apply 3. Then again I have to do this one by one. Look, the modulus is 2, but this is not proper way. આવી રીતે ન હોય. We should provide the user with a clear button which will clear all the text boxes and allow you to enter new values. So in the code of clear button we shall clear all the text boxes. બધાને આપણે ક્લિયર કરી નાખ્યા. text1 dot text is equal to space, text2 dot text is equal to space, txt add dot text is equal to space, txt sub dot text is equal to space, txt multiply dot text is equal to space, txt divide dot text is equal to space, txt mod dot text is equal to space. Then all 7 text boxes have been assigned with a blank string. Blank string matlab there will be nothing, it will be empty. Again let us run the program. 45, 9. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, modulus. Got it? Fine. I think it is a perfect form which includes so many text boxes, so many labels, so many command buttons and the basic operations. એટલે કોડ પણ થોડોક લાંબો થયો. એટલે this is the અત્યાર સુધી જે કાંઈ પણ કરાવ્યું, all the properties, controls, everything has been included in this form. Now if I clear, then I shall enter some other value, for example 90 and 10. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, modulus. Fine, clear. Now guys, as I have told you that in event driven programming some control goes with the user. With the user means we have already written the code for all the command buttons, but while running the program the user does not want to apply some of the calculations. એને એડ નથી કરવું, મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું છે, ડિવાઇડ નથી કરવું, સબટ્રેક્ટ કરવું છે, depends. It depends on the user. So it is possible. but provided you have entered some data. Suppose you have entered some data 68 and 9. Now I don't want to apply add, I shall directly multiply them. So the result of the multiplication will be displayed in the related text box only, that is txt mul. જો એમાં જ દેખાય છે. Same way I don't want divide, I want modulus. Now after applying modulus I want add. It is possible. Fine. So did you get it? કે whatever you want, if you don't want to subtract, બરાબર, divide નથી કરવું, fine. So the result is here, clear. Again you can enter some other value. I want to add, I want to multiply and I want to divide. આટલું કરવું છે, બાકી કાંઈ નથી કરવું. Fine. It's upon you. Okay. Then clear. Again enter some other value. Add, divide, modulus. Look. છે? Got it? Clear. Exit. So girls, this is a perfect program, perfect form which we have designed with the help of labels, text boxes and command buttons. Till today we have used only 3 controls. Look, we have lots of controls over here, but we have used only 3 controls out of them to prepare our form. In next lectures also we shall use these 3 controls to design more forms like calculating simple interest or swiping 2 values or basic preparing a mark sheet, preparing a payment sheet. There are 4-5 more programs જે આપણે કર્યા હતા C અને ફોક્સટ્રોમાં, જે અહીંયા બાકી છે. અહીંયા obvious છે બાકી હોય. શું કામ? Because here we have to be familiar with the environment of the VB. So girls, actually if I say, so from today we have started preparing practical forms in Visual Basic. આજ સુધી મેં તમને ખાલી just introduction જ આપ્યું. If you remember my first lecture, I told you કે હું તમને 10 lecture સુધી તો ખાલી introduction જ આપીશ કે so that you can be easily familiar with the environment of Visual Basic. એટલે અત્યાર સુધી આપણે એ જ કર્યું છે. From today we have prepared proper program in Visual Basic. એટલે in Visual Basic we can say કે we have designed a proper form. So from now for 3-4 lectures we shall prepare such forms. I shall provide you definitions and we shall prepare forms so that you can know how to write proper code in Visual Basic, how to set properties at runtime and how to run the form. Okay. This is the code. You can view the code. Look, the code is divided into different modules called events. They are called events. Different events are there. One event for each command button. Now guys, it is not compulsory that you write event on command button only. This is my practice that I write events on command button. We shall also write events on form, on label, on text boxes or on any other controls. Which controls use karશું ત્યારે we shall also write events on those controls. Any control, જેટલા controls છે બધામાં it is allowed to write events. But અત્યારે મેં ખાલી સેના ઉપર લખેલી છે only on command button. So 7 command buttons are there in my form and 7 events are there in my code window. Add, clear, division, exit, mode, multiplication. And you must have observed that even in command window there is no sequence. Look, code window માં કે sequence છે? There is no sequence. First of all add, then clear, then division, then exit, then mode. It is not compulsory. It is not required to maintain a sequence because it is event driven programming. તમે જે કરશો ઈ થાશે, તમે નહીં કરો ઈ નહીં થાય રન ટાઈમ. Fine. So I think today's lecture is worth understanding the VB environment practically. It's enough for today. Let me save the form and exit from the VB. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.